What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm giving you a video I've wanted to do since I started this channel. Now we are going to head over to Perth and we're going to show you the Proshine Camaro. Now Proshine, James is a good friend of mine. I've known him for many years. He runs a detailing and whitewalling business over in Perth and he is incredible. His attention to detail is second to none. If you ever take your car there, or you ever have, you will know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to drag this intro out. I just want to get to the video. So let's get into it, guys, and enjoy. All right, so what have you done to the outside of the car, bro?
So since I've bought the car, I've completely resprayed the car. It was black, it's now custom red. Obviously added the stripes, colour coded all the chrome work, so the bumpers, the stainless trims around the grille, wipers, windows, door handles, side markers and badges. And changed the wheels. So when I first got the car, it had rally wheels on it, and then when it was black, I put a set of one-piece US mags on, and then later down the track, re-shortened the diff and put three-piece custom Forgiatos on it. So they're 20 by 8.5s on the front, 20 by 10.5s on the rear. It's got a Chevy 10 bolt, but we've shortened the housing and put 9-inch big end Ford axles ends on, and 9-inch axles in there.
Yep.
So technically it's a Chevy 10 bolt slash 9-inch.
Yeah.
Yeah, put the Gen 2 style mirrors on it. So originally it comes out with one mirror on the Gen 1 Camaros, which are a chrome style.
Yep.
These are the Gen 2 mirrors off the 70s split bumper Camaro. Changed the tail lights to the Firebird. I call them the Firebird style ones. They're in a strip instead of having 3 sections in it.
Yep.
Obviously blacked all the grille out, blacked the headlights out. So the theme of the car was to go obviously black and red, and then the standout part of it was to put the big, Hot Wheels style wheels on it. So a lot of people would ask, why haven't you put black wheels on? My theory is why have such a deep dish wheel and paint it all black and lose it. So
that's fair.
Sort of standout part of the car. But yeah, so as for the outside, that's pretty much it. Obviously put the Willwood brakes front and rear too. They're 4 pots all around. I think they're 12.5-inch rotors. Yeah, that's about it really for the outside.
Okay, so what have we done on the interior?
Interior wise, it's pretty much, sort of stock trim wise, as in the seats, dash. With the centerpiece of the dash, we've taken the original clusters out and bought an infill panel and fitted it with all the automated gauges. It's got a 14-inch billet steering wheel, B&M Pro Stealth shifter. I ripped all the carpet up because these factory come with loophole style carpet. This is the plush pile, which I think just looks a lot neater. So carpet came up, all the floor was cleaned, sprayed in the sound deadener, then I laid the car builder's sound deadener down, underlay and then new carpet. But the seats, the dash and the door cards, from what I know, are pretty much factory. I've just cleaned those up. The dash itself on the fascia on this side and the center bit is actually got wood grain through it. I've wrapped the center console in like a brushed black textured finish and painted the dash. And before, the shifter had the big aeroplane T-bar style one. And yeah, interior wise, that's about it. I wanted sort of just to put a little bit of a spin on an old school muscle car without sort of being too modern.
Yeah, it looks perfect. It's got that exactly, that's the perfect description of it. Yeah, it's still got its classic kind of style, but upgraded.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. All right, let's jump into the engine bay. All right, so we've got the engine bay.
So it's running a 454 big block. It's pretty much a stock, well, it is a stock stroke engine, but it's got new piston rods, double row timing chain. It's got a big mother thumper cam in it, and just running a bit more comp in it really. So it's just got a nice note. Big blocks in general have got a lot of torque, so I'm not really chasing big horsepower or times or anything. It's more just a cool street cruiser that sounds tough and goes good. Engine bay is neat and tidy for me. Usually, like my old car, as you know, I shaved all the bay, smoothed all the rails, hit all the wiring, had everything perfect. It was too much. Being the way that I am, it's just, I wanted a car where I could just have it tidy, neat, close the bonnet and drive it and actually enjoy it and be content with it. Maybe later down the track I'll do something, but for now it's, a lot of people go, oh, it's really nice, but to me it's not really nice, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, to me it's perfect.
So the outside of the car, the interior, the wheels, the brakes, the suspension, all that type of stuff is what sort of, put a bit more time into.
Yep.
But again, it's not a show car, it's a street car. A lot of people see this car on social media and even see it in real life and think it's like something next level. I mean, something I'm very, very proud of, and it is a very cool car, but it's not even close to what I'd class as like a show spec car.
Yep.
But I wouldn't want something like that because
you wouldn't want to drive it.
I want to use it, and that's what I built the car for. But again, me being very fussy and OCD, my level of what something really good is to someone else.
Yep.
I'm never happy with something, so I do something that's mediocre and I'm like, oh no, it's really good, but it's not for me. So yeah, the engine bay was just sort of keep it old school, keep it neat and tidy, blacked everything out. Later down the track I might do something a bit out there, but for now I'm just happy to get in it, turn the key and drive it.
I feel like it really matches the kind of styling to the rest of the car because it's kept its classic heritage, but it's also super clean.
Yeah. Well, a lot of the old school muscle cars had black engine bays anyway.
Yep.
If I was to paint it, I'd still keep it satin black.
Yep.
You can buy all the inner guards new, so I'd fill all, get ones, and obviously these ones have got holes in where there was relays and stuff before. I've hidden quite a bit of stuff. But yeah, the only thing that really lets it down for me is the firewall where people have drilled in for certain things. So if that was nice and smooth, there's some nice new inner wheel arches, and then tidy up a few other bits and pieces. But yeah, again, it's just less is more at the moment.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, sometimes you can do too much and then it just looks too busy.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So, more maintenance as well.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Awesome. Well, thanks for letting us come and have a look at it and give us a rundown. I've been looking forward to looking at this thing for a long time. So, yeah, definitely. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. I am blown away by that car. I've seen it go through its stages of being built, from when he originally got it as a black Camaro to the paint jobs, the wheels, everything that he's done to it. I've seen it stage by stage. Generally, he sent me private DMs just to like keep me up to speed while I live over here in Melbourne, and seeing it finished in person, oh my God. And I know he was saying that it's not finished in his eyes, but to everyone else, that thing is perfect. Now, I'm going to link all of his information in the description, his business, his Instagram, all that sort of stuff, because if you guys want to get in contact with him and get some work done, I cannot recommend him strongly enough. He is an absolute animal with his details. Whatever you take there, you're going to be stoked with the results. So yeah, all the information in the description. If you like what you've seen, guys, smash like, smash subscribe, share this with your friends, show everyone that real life Hot Wheels car. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. So hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.